Math learning has changed. In an AI-powered world, memorizing steps is not enough. Your child needs deep conceptual clarity, the ability to see patterns, and the confidence to think logically. In school, time is limited. Every class must move forward together, even though every child learns differently. If your child understands quickly, they may not be challenged enough. If they struggle, there isn't always space to slow down and strengthen the foundation. Small gaps can grow, and potential can remain untapped. This is where beGalileo helps, a personalized math program that lets your child learn at their own pace right at home. Each math concept is broken into small, clear steps. You can feel assured they are understanding the why behind every method. Practice goes beyond multiple choice. Children solve real math like long multiplication, division, graphing, and more. Our built-in math workspace guides them step by step. You can see them develop structured thinking.
Awesome.
If they get stuck, they receive guided hints. This builds confidence and independence, qualities you want them to carry beyond math. Access worksheets across multiple concepts. View them instantly and download them to practice anytime. Mental math becomes fun with quick games that build speed and accuracy naturally without pressure. Interactive tools bring abstract ideas to life. Concepts that once felt confusing begin to make sense in ways your child can explain confidently. Effort is rewarded consistently. Children unlock board games and rewards as they practice, keeping motivation high. Inside the beGalileo app, your child practices times tables, plays logic games, and builds reasoning skills, all designed to make learning engaging. And the best part? A full month of learning costs less than a coffee or a fast food meal. Give your child a stronger math foundation that will support them for years to come.